Hello everyone, so if you want to use your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 as a remote control of your phone's camera, first of all let's activate the watch screen by tapping on it and I swipe down to the very bottom to your More option. Here you gotta find your camera application and now you gotta open up the camera on your phone. So do that. Now let's check it out, so simply tap on the shutter icon. And as you see, photos are being taken. Also, you can set a timer on your watch. For example, let's set it for 3 seconds. There are a few modes available. So now 3 seconds and 5 seconds. Now let's set it on 3 seconds. And as you see, the new photo appeared in the gallery. And basically that's it. That's how you use your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 as a remote control. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.